Good day, Ma'am and Sir, to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Charlene Amicia, 37 years old. I live in Sitio Latason, Barangay Mayabon, Zamboanga, Negros Oriental, single. My father's name, Charlie Cesar Amicia, is 57 years old farmer, and my mother's name, Carmelita Amicia, is 47 years old housewife. My religion is Roman Catholic, and I have one brother, 32 years old, youngest. My educational background is college undergraduate. I am taking Bachelor of Science, Business Administration, major in management in 2 years. And my working experience as domestic helper in abroad in Kuwait, it's been 8 years from January 27, 2017 until January 13, 2025. I serve 5 members of the family, 1 couple, 2 children, and 1 84 years old elderly.
Why do you want to work abroad or in Hong Kong?
Because Hong Kong is the near in the Philippines, safety country, and high salary offered of domestic helper.
Are you willing to take care of babies and children?
Yes.
About how many children do you think you can take care at a time?
Many as well.
What are your duties as a babysitter?
I do feedings, give and nutritional meals, bathing, complete hygiene, changing the diaper, and also I do wash the clothes separately to avoid rashes and allergies. I take care of the baby in all day and night. I'll make sure that the children is safe under my care. I do also curricular activities of the children, including educational play, maintaining a good positive communication of the children, indoor and outdoor supervision, and homework assistance.
What are your duties as a domestic helper?
As domestic helper, I do general cleaning, taking care of the children, take care of the elderly, tutoring, cooking, laundering, car wash, and feed caring.
Can you cook Chinese dishes? Like what?
I don't know how to cook, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you operate electrical appliances? Like what?
I know how to cook, I know how to prepare and operate like washing machine, microwave, air fryer, cooker, and blender, coffee maker.
How about washing car? Do you wash car very well?
Yes, I do it.
Do you love pets? Like what?
I like it like dog and cat.
Most people in Hong Kong speak Cantonese. Are you willing to learn and speak the language?
Yes, I'm willing to learn.
Is it okay if your holiday will not be scheduled on Saturday or Sunday?
Yes.
Do you have any experience in taking care of elderly? If yes, please elaborate your experience.
Yes, I have experience of the 84 years old elderly, which is I'm give proper hygiene, changing the diaper, and give nutritional meals, medicines, and check the temperature, especially the high blood pressure.
What promises do you have for your future employer?
I promise to my beloved employers, I do my best to do my duty responsibilities as a housekeeper. I believe patience, creativity, strong understanding of child development, most important, love the children, common sense, and trustworthiness. Ma'am, sir, please hire me. I am a responsible person, hardworking, fast learner, and I'm willing to learn. Thank you so much.